Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel High Tech, and today I am missing and I'm going to show you how to make a tripod which is very cheap and less cost. If you are the beginner and you not have much money to invest on your phone, mic, tripod, camera, etc. So you came to a right place. Please subscribe my channel which is below and also press the bell icon to get all these notifications and without wasting any time, let's start a video. Friends, I have used this stand which I got from scrapyard. If you not have this stand, please subscribe my channel because I am posting next video on this to make tripod without this. Next I am using this plastic PVC pipe which is used to increase the height of my tripod. And also I am using this selfie stick which is very cheap to hold my